Hey guys, welcome back to another frame form video. So in today's video, from popular demand, we are doing some videos on Moto by T-Mobile and some free phones. So right now, if you go to their website, you can actually see the Moto G Power 5G is on sale, and you can actually get it for free. So let's get into it. It says tis the season for zero activation fees. So right now they're waiving activation fees. That's normally 30 or 35 bucks. So let's get into it, guys. It's gonna be a short video. Like I said, been pretty busy with the holidays and family and stuff, so haven't had much time to make content. So that's what happens when you grow up, I guess. So it says shop online, and so this looks like it's gonna be an online deal. It says get it today with instant rebate. Pay zero activation fees. Add a $40 a month plan or higher line to your existing Metro plan. So let's go ahead and see. Tell me more. So how to get it for you? What do I get? So it's pretty cool. So you're gonna get the Motorola Moto G Power 5G 2023. What happens with the phone number? You can get a new phone number for your new line, or you can port. You can shop this online deal now, and of course, says your phone is free with an instant discount at sale, but you'll need to pay any applicable sales tax. The rebate is applied as a credit against a regular purchase price. It has no cash value. Pay the first month of your additional line. Their limit, it is one per line, and you need minimum of the $40 plan. So that tells you right there what you'll need. So here is the phone, guys. Pretty cool. So it says get one free and keep your number. So you can port your number over from a different carrier, or you can just get a new number. So pretty cool. It says a Moto G Power 5G 2023 is a mineral black. It looks pretty decent, actually. Like, doesn't look bad at all. I mean, it's budget friendly phone, so I don't think it's going to, wow you or anything like that. So like I said, this is 128 gigabytes model, which is pretty good, actually. It's lots of memory. It says it does estimate the ship date to be December 27th till January 2nd. So now, if you're a new customer, of course, you will get this. This phone does retail for $250. You get $0. So it says new line discount applies. Of course, bring your own number. Same thing. You get it. It says save more when you transfer your existing number to us. So it looks like it's actually $250. That's crazy. Huh. So I guess it has to be a new number, which is dumb. But then here says get one free and keep your number. So it says with instant rebate when you switch to Metro on a 40 or higher on plan, in store only. Okay. Get one free with a new number. Okay. So basically, so either way, I guess you could do it in store or maybe online. Just, I don't know. It's kind of weird. It says bring your number. You pay full price. So basically, if you're going to keep your number, you're going to have to go to a store. If you want a new number, you can get instant rebate and get it for free, which, I don't know, kind of dumb. Existing customers, you have to log in to see if you have any applicable discounts. But what makes this phone special? 50 megapixel camera system. So 50 in the back, 16 megapixels on the front. You do have a 52.6 hour talk time or a 17.3 days standby time. It is a 6.5 full HD plus 120 hertz display. Actually, pretty good specs for a free phone. 24 by 1080, so it is 1080p display. Ultra fast 5G performance, of course, as long as you have 5G in your area. Dedicated macro vision camera, plenty of storage, 5G friendly 5000 milliamp battery. Does have Dolby Atmos and stereo speakers. I'm telling you, wow, these specs for free. They're really good. Snap social media ready selfies with 16 megapixel front camera. And of course, you can customize experience with My UX. Wow. Does have fingerprint sensor, but mainly the big things I would say take away the cameras. The display is 120 hertz display. The big battery is 5,000 milliamps. That's huge. So overall, I think for the price and it's a full HD 1080p display, I mean, that's pretty good. No wonder this phone's $250. So it's actually no slouch when it comes to that price. But if you can get it free, it's even better. So does have 4 gigs of RAM. Maximum expandable memory is 1 terabyte. So wow. So overall, here's the specs on it. If you guys want to look at everything. Overall, I think this is a real good deal, guys. So, Of course, it does have a pretty good processor and everything, but overall, I think it's all right. I mean, most people looks like they like it. So, well, it says first to review, but whatever. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. As you can see in my voice, or hear in my voice, I'm starting to get kind of sleepy. Like I said, it's been long holiday hours at work and spending time with family and all that stuff. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Try to get a lot more videos your way, so stay tuned. Check out the description below. Does help the channel. So check out the description below. It does help the channel. So thank you, guys.